Talgo has become synonymous for safety, innovation and technology by applying these concepts constantly in the design and manufacturing of all its trains. To achieve this goal, Talgo has from its very beginning given a huge importance to research and development, investing large financial resources in innovative developments and solutions, which has allowed Talgo to become in very little time a reference mark for high speed in Spain. The manufacturing process for all Talgo trains starts at the technical office located in one of the Talgo factories named Las Matas 2 in Madrid, where trains are developed and designed with the maximum level of quality, reliability and comfort at a minimum cost for railway operators. Railcar manufacturing. The construction of structures and wheel sets is carried out independently on Talgo passenger coaches. For structures, the following are manufactured separately: frames, walls, roofs and end cars. Light aluminium alloys are used in their construction, thereby reducing the weight and the consequent energy consumption and achieving greater acceleration in this way. Once all of these parts have been integrated, surface treatment and painting processes are carried out, as well as the installation of electrical equipment. The wheel set is formed from welded steel structures that form an inverted U structure, to which two semi-axles are added with the corresponding complete wheels, as well as the braking system, and following a severe quality control process from the start until its conclusion. As for the wheel sets, each component is connected on a universal movement device that facilitates its installation. The independent wheel system, which is a Talgo development, is of vital importance in reducing noise while running, providing greater adaptability to the track and allowing greater comfort and safety. Once the wheel set is completed, it is then joined to the structure. By using a robust axle guidance device designed by Talgo, it is possible for the wheels to remain constantly parallel to the rail, both on curves and on straight tracks, thereby obtaining a greater level of dynamic safety and reducing wheel and rail wear. Since 1980, Talgo has incorporated an original suspension system on all its trains that also creates a natural tilting, allowing greater speeds on curves, and it functions by raising the suspension plane above the center of gravity of the rail cars, just like a pendulum. Its functioning is based on totally natural forces without any energy consumption, with no abrupt movements, a high level of reliability due to its simplicity, and maintaining a high level of comfort for the passengers. To conclude the construction of the coach, the finishing works are carried out with the installation of cooling and air conditioning equipment, interior parts, lighting, window blinds, luggage racks, seats and other items. In the coupling system of the coaches, another innovative feature of Talgo vehicles is applied: the articulated union. Wheel set parts are installed between the coaches, thereby achieving better use of space, safety and better adaptability to the track. Isolated overturning and hunting of the coaches is avoided in the event of an accident. Power car manufacturing. Traction heads or locomotives are manufactured in a similar way. The installation of all necessary equipment such as traction, brake and electrical equipment is done after the construction of the steel structure and bogies. Once the power cars have been finished, they are then coupled to the rail cars to form a complete train. Throughout the train production process, each part obtained is subject to a strict quality control, with static and dynamic tests too. These checks take place from the very acceptance of materials at the warehouse until the complete train is finished, passing through each of the main processes: welding, surface treatment, painting, equipment and bogie installation. One of the latest results of Talgo technological development is the Talgo 250, a self-propelled train with variable gauge and dual voltage traction heads. The Talgo 250 is able to run at speeds of 250 km per hour, a train with which Talgo has once more set the course for innovation and progress in the railway industry. Talgo has 2 production plants in Spain, Las Matas 2 in Madrid and Ribavillosa in Álava. Las Matas 2 factory is used for the construction work on powerheads, locomotives and bogies and wheelset production, as well as the manufacturing of underfloor wheel lathes, wheel measuring systems, gauges, hauling vehicles and the overhaul of Talgo coaches. The full production of Talgo rail cars and wheelsets has taken place at the Ribavillosa facilities since 1964. The result offered by its products has allowed Talgo to be the first company to gain access to the rail market in the United States, as well as the first to cross the borders to a CIS country such as Kazakhstan. Talgo is now present in countries such as Germany, Kazakhstan, United States and, very soon, Bosnia-Herzegovina, in a firm and unstoppable process of international expansion. For Talgo, one of its main values is commitment to clients and users, having punctually and strictly complied so far with the delivery dates for all its projects. The Talgo Commitment, a leading company which never ceases in its determination to anticipate and reveal the future of the railway industry.